calculator and trigonometry calculator.
I'm K. Bharat Kumar from 19MS. I'm going to explain about the trigonometric ratio of this calculator, which is basically an sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, and which inverse way reciprocal. And I'm going to explain about some of the features on this calculator, basic calculator. If you root on 25 to 56, then it will be 16. If you square root if we go on to the sine particles, then sine 60 degree it will be 0.8. And sine inverse 30 degree it will be and none, which is not defined. And tan of 18 degree, no 180 degree, it will be minus 1.2 e. And log ratios also it will be taken by this calculator. Log 5 will be 0.6. And percentage of 6% is 0.06. And exponential e power 3 it will be and 20.08. And next calculator is quadratic equation solver. It will be an ABC coefficients, which is an equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we are going to give an coefficients of a, b, and c. And I'm doing a as -5 and b 6 and c 1, which will calculate automatically by this equation and give the values for the roots of this equation. And if it is a perfect square, it will be an 2 or 3 more roots for this equation. And if it is an equal roots, then it will be an single roots for this equation. And next calculator will be explained by Chaitanya.
Coming to the matrix multiplication, there are many types to give, like 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, and so on. We will give the input values in the matrix. After giving the values, we will be multiplying, and the solution will be shown through the calculation mode. We will be getting solution like this. Coming to area part, and for the area of circle, we will be giving the area, the radius pi r square. If we give the radius and calculate, the area will be coming. And coming to area of now we will be giving the area of triangle. For the area of triangle, the formula is base into height by 2. We will be giving the base and height values. If we calculate the area of the triangle will be coming. Coming to square, for the square the area is side square. If we give side values, we will be calculating the area of the square. And for the rectangle, the formula for the area is length into width. If we give the length and width values, we will be getting the area of rectangle values. Coming to factorial numbers, if we give the 1-digit value as factorial will be coming, and for the double-digit value, for the double-digit also we will be getting the values. Coming to the 4-digit value more than 1000, we will be getting the value as infinity. We will be getting infinity.
So coming to the statistics calculator, so we will be finding the mean, median, and mode here. So for the we'll give the values first. So I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4 and 5, 6, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So for the median and mode, we'll be giving the same. So if we calculate, it will just display the answers for the mean, median, and mode. So it calculates the values. So coming to the mathematical expression calculator. So here we'll be having derivative. For the derivative, we can see that we'll be having the first derivative calculations here. So for the d by dx and d by dx dash. So if you give some other values, then it calculates the value for the derivative. So we can see the graph which we plotted here for the calculations for the d by dx for the above equations. So that's it about our calculator. Thank you.